Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn the conversion of decimal number contained in fraction into octal number, which also contains fraction. For this purpose, these two steps are applied. In the first step, we convert the whole number into octal number, and in the second step, we will convert the fractional part into octal number. Whenever we have to convert decimal number into another base number, we have to use the division method. And when we have to convert the fractional part of decimal number, then multiplied method is used. Now whole part is taken, which is 8, and it is divided by the 8, mean the base of 8. The answer is 10. 10 is in base 8. The second step is the fractional part is taken, which is 0.99, and for the fractional part we have to multiply this fractional part with the base of required base number, like 8. So we have to convert 0.99 multiplied by 8. The answer is 7.92. Again, only fractional part is taken and the whole part is not taken. 0.92 multiplied by 8. The answer is 7.36. Now again, the fractional part 0.36 is taken. The 7 will not be taken because it is a whole. The answer is 2.88. 0.88 fractional part is multiplied with 8 and we will get 7.04. This process will be continue until no whole number is found or until we get 0 in the whole position. This process will be continue. Like in this video, when 0.04 is multiplied with 8, the answer is 0.32. Now there is no any whole number left and 0 is here. So if we will multiply 8 number with 0, the answer is 0. So we will not do this. Now from top to bottom, we write 0.77270. The 8 is converted, the answer is 10, and when 0.99 is converted, the answer is 0.77270. Now we have to combine it, and the combined answer is 8.99 base 10 is equal to 10.77270. Now this is the required octal number. I hope you will learn this video, and it is very easy method to apply. You have to only multiply and divide. Allah Hafiz.